Today we are making 3D models of people with nothing but a single portrait image. One picture and you have a complete 3D model of the person. You could rig this model, animate them, 3D print it and do all kinds of cool stuff. Sky is the limit. We will be using a tool named PyFu HD on a Google Colab notebook, which means you will be able to follow along with nothing but the browser you are currently using. You don't need to bother about the dependencies, libraries to install or set up anything on your computer. Everything is handled on the cloud, just for you. So no excuses are allowed. Note that this method works only for humans. If you want to recreate a 3D model of any object that is not human, then check the cards now to be directed to that video. Before I get your hands all dirty, hold your horses to appreciate the work of authors and contributors who made this. Grab the first link in the description that will direct you to the Colab script. This is an oversimplified, easy to use and made for your convenience. Following the good practice, make a copy of this script to your drive and make sure the runtime is on GPU. The GPU I am referring to is on the cloud provided to you for free by Google. You would like to execute the first cell. This setups PyFu HD by taking care of all the code, its dependencies and the pre-trained models. This will take some time. Mine took about 4 minutes to complete. This Colab script can take images from the web, or you can upload your own image to create the 3D models. Let me demonstrate both the cases, one by one. For the first case, I am going on the internet and will need to grab the URL to the portrait image. Let this be the portrait. I will right click on it and copy the image URL. Going back to the Colab, I will paste the link to this field and finally execute this cell. Give it a few minutes and you have a preview of the 3D model just created. To download the 3D model, just execute the cell just below this one. Your 3D object file should download immediately. You can view the object file with many programs or use Blender, an open source software to view, clean, modify, add texture or animate the model as you wish. In a very similar fashion, you could make the 3D model for the image you upload. In this case, you will need to execute the cell first. You will be asked to upload the image. Just select the right image from your local computer. After a few minutes, your model is ready and you can preview it in the video. Finally, to download this 3D model object file, just execute the next cell. In the end, I want to share very helpful tips for getting best results from this tool. You want to use high resolution images. Low resolution images can create artifacts. You also want the image to have a single person standing and facing the camera. The image should be well uniformly lit. Harsh shadows, very dark or bright pictures can introduce more artifacts. You want the background to be simple. You could also try using an online tool like Remove.bz for removing background beforehand. The model is trained on humans, so this won't do good with anime characters. Finally, you could search for hashtag PyFuHD in Twitter to find many examples for reference on what works and what fails. Here are a few examples listed. If you are curious how PyFu HD works, there is the link to the paper in the description. You aren't into papers? There is an entertaining video by 2-minute paper explaining the details. I hope you had fun. Please like, share and comment your suggestions if you enjoyed this video and you want to subscribe and ring that bell for exciting videos to come like AI trying to split voice, an instrumental from songs or AI predicting someone's face just from their voice, all in Google Colab. Thank you.